So today you are continuing on with the explain part of Earth's internal processes. You'll be doing slide 5 that's titled Internal Dynamics of the Geosphere, and slide 6, Internal Dynamics of the Geosphere, Earth's Magnetic Field specifically. So make sure you're taking notes on the text on the main page and then choosing the links for mantle convection, movement in the mantle, and then core convection. Taking notes on those. Completing the activities in each of the slides, and then slide 6, you just have this diagram and text to take notes on, and then an activity. Make sure you are taking a photo of your notes and uploading it to the assignment so you can prove that you did this assignment. And good luck.